Most people using Notion AI are making a huge mistake. They open Notion, they type their notes, they maybe ask the AI one basic question. And then they wonder why they are still spending hours on work that should take minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how advanced Notion AI users think differently. You will learn 3 powerful automations that the top 1% of productivity professionals use every single day. These are not tips you will find in a beginner tutorial. These are deep, powerful techniques that will completely change how you work. By the end of this video, you will have a fully automated Notion workspace that practically runs itself. Let us get straight into it. Welcome to AI Tools Hub. This channel is dedicated to showing you the most powerful AI tools available today and exactly how to use them to work smarter and faster. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Today we are going deep into Notion AI. Specifically, we are covering 3 advanced automations. Number 1. AI-powered database automation. Number 2. Advanced AI prompting techniques inside Notion. Number 3. Connecting Notion AI with Zapier to build a fully automated task system. Each of these automations builds on the last one. So by the end, you will have a complete productivity system that saves you over 10 hours every single week. Let us start with the first one. The first automation is called AI Database Autofill. And this is where most advanced Notion users start. Here is the problem that most people have. They create a beautiful Notion database, they add their projects, they add their tasks. But then they have to manually fill in every single field. The summary, the priority, the status, the next action. This takes forever, and it is completely unnecessary. Because Notion AI can fill all of this in for you automatically. Here is exactly how to set it up. Open any database in Notion. Click on a property field, any field you want. You will see an option that says AI Autofill. Click on it. A text box will appear asking you for a prompt. This is where you tell Notion AI exactly what to put in this field every time a new entry is created. For your summary field, use this exact prompt. Read the content of this page and write a clear 2-sentence summary of the most important action items. Click Save. Now here is the magic moment. Add a new entry to your database. Watch what happens. Notion AI automatically reads the page content and fills in the summary field instantly. No copy-pasting, no manual writing, no thinking required. It just happens automatically every single time. Now here is where it gets even more powerful. You can stack multiple AI autofill properties on the same database. Set one field for the summary, set another for the priority level, set a third for the next action step. Use this prompt for your priority field. Based on the content of this page, assign a priority level of high, medium, or low. Consider deadlines and impact when deciding. And use this prompt for your next action field. Read this page and suggest the single most important next action that needs to be taken. Keep it under 15 words. Now every time you add a new project or task to your database, Notion AI fills in the summary, the priority, and the next action automatically. Your database basically manages itself. This single automation alone will save you at least 2 hours every single week. The second technique is advanced AI prompting inside Notion. And this is where most people leave a lot of power on the table. Here is the difference between a basic Notion AI user and an advanced one. A basic user opens the AI and says something like, "Summarize this." An advanced user writes a structured, specific prompt that tells the AI exactly what format to use, exactly what to include, and exactly what to ignore. The results are completely different. Let me show you the most powerful use case. The AI Meeting Notes System. Here is how it works. After any meeting, open a new Notion page. Paste in your row notes. It does not matter how messy they are. Random bullet points, half-finished sentences, names, numbers, anything. Then click the AI button inside Notion and paste in this exact prompt. Organize these meeting notes into 3 clearly labeled sections. Section 1. Key decisions that were made during this meeting. Section 2. Action items with the name of the person responsible for each one. Section 3. Questions that still need answers or follow-up. Format everything with clean bullet points and make it ready to share with a professional team. Click Generate and wait 5 seconds. Your messy raw notes will transform into a clean, professional, perfectly organized document. Ready to share with your entire team immediately. No editing, no formatting, no extra work. This alone saves 30 minutes after every single meeting. Now let me show you the second power prompt, the Long Document Analyzer. If you have a long report, a research paper, a client brief, or any long piece of content saved in Notion, use this prompt. Read this entire document carefully. Then do 4 things. First, summarize the whole document in exactly 5 bullet points. Second, identify the 3 most important insights or findings. Third, highlight any risks or concerns mentioned. Fourth, suggest 2 specific action items based on what you read. This turns any long document into a clear action plan in seconds. I use this every single day for client reports and research. Now here is the most important tip of this entire section. Create a dedicated Notion page called My AI Prompt Library. Every single time you write a prompt that gets you a great result, save it on that page. Over time, you will build a personal collection of prompts that are perfectly tuned for your specific work. This prompt library will become one of the most valuable pages in your entire Notion workspace. The more prompts you save, the faster and more powerful your workflow becomes. Now we get to the most powerful automation of all 3. And I will be honest with you, very few people are doing this yet. We are going to connect Notion AI with Zapier. This means your other apps like Gmail, Slack, and Google Calendar will automatically send information into your Notion workspace without you doing anything manually. Let me walk you through the most useful automation first, turning emails into Notion tasks automatically. Go to Zapier.com and create a free account if you do not have one already. Click Create Zap. For the trigger, search for Gmail and select it. Choose the trigger event called New Email Matching Search. In the search filter, type the words Action Required or Task or Please Do. This means Zapier will only trigger when an email arrives that actually needs your attention. Click Continue and connect your Gmail account. Now for the action. Search for Notion and select it. Choose the action called Create Database Item. Connect your Notion account when prompted. Select the database where you want tasks to be created. Now map the fields like this. For the task title field, select the email subject from Gmail. For the description field, select the email body from Gmail. For the due date field, set it to 3 days from today as a default. Leave the priority field empty because Notion AI Autofill from Section 1 will handle that automatically. Click Save and turn on your Zap. Now test it by sending yourself an email with the words "Action Required" in the subject line. Within 60 seconds, a new task will automatically appear in your Notion database. With the title, the full email content as description, a due date, and an AI-generated priority level. All without you touching anything. You can now repeat this exact same setup for Slack messages, Google Calendar events, website contact form submissions, and anything else that connects to Zapier. Every important piece of information from every app you use will automatically flow into your Notion AI workspace. This is what a truly automated productivity system looks like. Let us do a quick recap of everything we covered today. Automation number 1. AI Database Autofill. You set up AI prompts on your database field so that summaries, priorities, and next actions are filled in automatically every time you add a new entry. Automation number 2. Advanced AI Prompting. You learned the meeting notes system prompt and the long document analyzer prompt, plus the strategy of building your own personal AI prompt library inside Notion. Automation number 3. Notion AI plus Zapier Integration. You connected Gmail to Notion so that action emails automatically become tasks in your workspace with zero manual work. Now here's my challenge for you. Pick just one of these 3 automations and set it up today. Not tomorrow, not next week. Today. Because the difference between people who get results and people who just watch videos is taking action immediately. Even setting up just the first automation will save you hours this week alone. Now I want to hear from you in the comments. Which of these 3 automations are you going to try first? Drop your answer below. I rate every single comment and reply to as many as I can. If this video gave you value, please hit the like button right now. It takes 1 second and it genuinely helps this channel reach more people who need this content. And if you are not subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. Every single week on AI Tools Hub, I publish new advanced tutorials on the most powerful AI tools available. You do not want to miss what is coming next. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.